Today I am going to discuss the formulation of molecular solid which belongs to the solid state, that is in revision class of solid state. Molecular solids, formulation of molecular solids may be on following two types, either on the basis of the number of constituent particles present in the solid, constituent particles of the solid in a particular unit cell, or number of voids present in the solid. On the basis of number of constituent particles present in a particular unit cell, we know in simple primitive unit cell the particle is 1, in body centered the particle is 2, in face centered the particle is 4. In simple primitive unit cell, the total constituent particles present on the all 8 corners of the constituent unit cell. Body centered, in your body center unit cell, the constituent particles are located at the center of the unit cell as well as total corner of the unit cell. On the other hand, in face centered unit cell, the constituent particles are located at all corner of the unit cell as well as center of each face of the unit cell. Suppose a solid is formed by A and B particles, two particles. Suppose A is located at all corner of the unit cell and B is present at the center of each face. If particle A is present at the corner of the unit cell, which contributes only 1, so the formulation of molecular solid, the value of constituent particle A is 1, and B, which is located at the center of each face, which gives rise to 1 by 2 from each face. So 1 by 2 into 6, that is 3. So B is equal to 3. The formula of the solid may be written as A1B3, which is equal to AB3. It is the molecular formula of the solid in which constituent particle A is located at all corner of the unit cell as well as particle B is present at the center of each face. Now we going to write the formulation of molecular solid from the number of voids. We know there are two types of voids. One of the void is tetrahedral void, which is equal to the number of particles present in a solid. Octahedral void is equal to the number of particles, and tetrahedral void is equal to the 2 into twice the number of particles present in the solid. Suppose a solid is formed by A, or more simply we can say, suppose a FCC solid is formed by the particles A. So the number of particles A is equal to the total number of particles in the solid. So value of A will be equal to the 4, and the particle B is located 2 by 3 of the total tetrahedral void. 2 by 3 of the total tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral. Suppose particle of the constituent particles in the unit cell is 4. So value of A is equal to 4. On the value of particle B may be calculated by considering the number of particles present in the unit cell. The tetrahedral void is equal to twice the number of the particles present in the solid. So tetrahedral void will be equal to the 4 into 2, that is 8. So the particle B will be equal to the 2 by 3 into 8. Now formulation may be written as A4B 16 by 3. Since in the formulation of solid, particle never be in fraction, so it may be written as A4B 16 by 3 into 3. So it also be multiplied by 3. Now the formulation will become A4B48. Now it may be simplified as A1B12. That is, formula of the solid will become AB12. Thank you.